Welcome back, Forex fam. Forex came back at you with another video. Now, I said, man, let's get right into it. If this is your first time watching my video, no clickbait, no thumbnail, no fancy titles. It's just real, authentic, consistent content. So, my last video, you saw what I did in the market. But man, this market is killer. Right now, we're killing the market right now. Killing the market right now. Now, I see this level right here. This potential to bounce. But just a quick summary. So my last video, I was we took the market on a sell from here to around this area. I put this arrow because I saw this bullish candle. I said, all right, it might go up, and that was enough for me to get out of the trade. And I put that level specifically because of this. So I saw this bullish bounce off this level. I said, okay, I kind of expect the same thing, and that's what happened. So I thought it would have continued to go up. But I continued to watch the market, and I saw some more opportunities, and I went in and I took it. As you can see, we up another 40. Now, hindsight, could I've just stayed in the trade, been a little bit more patient, and then continue on the move south? Yes, but no one knows. You don't know if it would have bounced up, because at that time in the video I showed that the moving average curve, which it did, and it looked like it would have bounced and just gone up, and that would have been the biggest move of the day. But it proved to not be the biggest move of the day. See what's happening. I try not to get tempted, but I'm human and I like money. So it did what I expected it to do. I said in the last video, I told you I expected it to come back and retest this gap and close it, and the market just had to close the gap. There was no way they were going to leave this gap open. I didn't think it was going to close or retest it so fast, but they did. Now this level here is really just common sense. Like, you see this here, you see this is where the market, the last time it hit this area, hit and then took off for a major run. So that's why this level is pretty crucial. But again, we don't know if it's going to stay here. We don't know if it's going to keep going down. But then again, as I've told you guys many times, I pay attention to levels and price action. But again, real quickly, first trade of the day, great. I took a quick one and then I got back in again. So right now, the day is absolutely, hands down, a great day. Yes, you see losses, but I went over that in my last two videos, so I'm not going over that again. Right now, today, we're back on top. Everything's looking good right now. Yeah. So again, another area of concern. It could bounce or it just could keep going down. But again, we're just going to be responsible. This is obviously a very telltale sign that you should think about getting out now, and I am. But I had to record one more video. I had to record one more video just because I was excited, man. The market is just, it feels good as long as you stay patient, stay disciplined, stay true to your strategy, and just trust what the market is telling you. And sometimes the market's just going to go in your favor and it's going to be great. Other times, you just got to be really hands-on. You got to be nails. But I've been really intentional, and I've been nails on these moves just in case. The day ended up being really bearish. I thought it would have stayed more of like a shooting star, but don't really care. All right, so I saw the P&L drop really fast. So here is reason to possibly get out and be done, really be done for the day. For obvious reasons, of where the market is. Let's see what this candle does. I don't want less than $20 on this trade, so I hope it goes down because I want more money. But if it gets close to 20, I'll just get out just because of this candle. I'll take it. I'll take it if it keeps going down. Most of you guys know that I let my videos run based on the length of the candle. So 5-minute time frame. If I'm gonna watch the entire candle, you guys gonna be watching me too. So that was a conversation filler. I mean, yeah, that's okay. A little bit more money, but again, this right here is enough for me to understand what's going on. Again, I'm paying attention to where we're at. Now, anything is possible. It can continue to keep going down, which I hope, because that means more money for us, for me. But I got most of the move for the day, and I'm happy with how we started this Monday. I mean, boom, I got a good amount of this move, got in early, followed my strategy, was disciplined, was patient, didn't do anything crazy, didn't allow any false moves. Like, while I'm talking, I'm just paying attention. Like this 9:30 candle would have been enough to fake me out. Everyone, me, everyone, but the biggest challenge is not the market. It's just trusting your strategy, trusting yourself, and honestly being disciplined. Now, it closed below the level, which is nice. Not 100% sold yet though. 11:30. I'm kind of sold now. Kind of sold now. Let me see. Let's not get too excited yet though. I know the last video was a longer video, but again, this is the trade. This is trading, man. It's easy to feel alone and by yourself because it's literally just you by yourself with your thoughts, and you just have to be nails. You have to be nails. You have to be disciplined. You just have to trust. Okay. So. Told you. Just gotta be careful. Can't get too excited yet. All right. I'll get up. Yeah. I'll take that. Just because I know where I'm at in the market. And let's not be too greedy. Like, let's. Oh, real emotion, bro. All right, whatever. Where am I at for the day? 50, 56. I mean, it's the 82. Not bad. 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 I better close this chart before I get myself in trouble. So, man, great day. No more FOMO. No more FOMO. I know the blue lines are there. We're good, man. It's hitting the level here, so it's probably going to bounce up. Man, great day. No more FOMO. We bounce back. Great Monday, man. Great, 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 great Monday. I was so excited I had to record one more video just because I saw what was going on. Had to. But, man, appreciate you guys for following me. Forex King is out. Be careful in the markets if you're in the markets, because I always say the markets don't care about you, only you care about you. Peace out.